Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 6120E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat and air. The tractor has just under 500 hours on it. Has the John Deere H310 quick attach front loader to go with it. It's got a nice heavy-duty front bucket with a bolt-on cutting edge, global cell hookup for your bucket connection. Has a front weight carrier and the front grill guard on it. Beacon warning light. It's got both mirrors, front fenders. As you can see, the tractor looks nearly new. Two sets of rear wheel weights with it. Rear wiper, rear work lights. Has the double stackable valves back here. 540N 1000 PTO. Telescopic links and stabilizer bars. Just a very, very sharp tractor. We normally have approximately 120 tractors on our yard. We specialize in late model, low hour machines like this in all sizes. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. It's a very, very sharp tractor. And again, we do take trades and offer trucking and financing. If you have questions regarding this unit, please contact us.